You won't believe this. A camera that spots employees entering the wrong area in seconds. ACTi's employee uniform color detection system is redefining workplace safety for factories, logistics centers, and utilities, using AI color recognition and instant alerts to detect violations the moment they happen. ACTi's AI recognizes employee vest colors and verifies if they're in the right zone. Whether in a factory, warehouse, or utility plant, every move is monitored in real time. If someone enters a restricted area, an instant alert goes to management and control center. It's not just detection, it's proactive safety, replacing reaction with prevention. The system automatically checks if employees wear correct uniforms or safety vests. From production lines to power sites, AI confirms color compliance instantly and generates digital reports. No manual checks, no oversight, just automated safety audits that save time, reduce risk, and strengthen workplace discipline. When AI detects wrong colors or unauthorized entry, it triggers instant visual and audio alerts. Linked to VMS and mobile apps, managers receive real-time notifications. From warehouses to utilities, ACTi ensures zero-delay response, faster than any human patrol and smarter than traditional inspections. ACTi delivers smarter AI safety at 30% to 50% lower cost than Axis. Seamlessly integrating with access control and surveillance, it boosts SI profitability while enhancing customer safety. It's innovation that pays back, high performance without high prices. Upgrade to smarter safety today with ACTi's employee uniform color detection system. Automate compliance, reduce errors, and protect your team in real time. Every color matters. Let ACTi turn yours into the color of safety.